Due to COVID-19, there has been an unplanned emphasis on tech-driven learning models, and there is a need to ensure equitable access for all. To solve for challenges like these, Sattva brought together 13 non-profits in an education circle to use their on-ground expertise and create actionable recommendations. Out of the education circle's 3 key focus areas, the second working group focused on building a tech-enabled blended learning model to ensure maximum access and quality. In the second working group, 5 organizations came together to develop the framework for designing blended learning models, which includes the key parameters and core principles of designing blended learning models and the recommended focus areas for the short term. Across the 3 primary points of learning, home, school, and community center, these 3 key parameters can be used to design contextual learning models, availability of technology infrastructure, access to place-based offline learning, and enable stakeholders as effective co-educators. For each parameter, an assessment of the learning scenario should be conducted. For parameter 1, having access to tech-enabled devices across points of learnings would be ideal. For parameter 2, having continuous access to learning spaces at schools or community centers would be ideal. For parameter 3, having all stakeholders as effective co-educators would be ideal. When there is an ideal scenario in at least 2 or more parameters, the learning model should be designed as a blended learning model. However, in the absence of this, either there should be a partial blended learning model or no blended learning model at all. The core principles of designing effective blended learning models are equitable, inclusive, and accessible learning models, collaborative and repurpose approach to learning, designing keeping the learner at the center, ensuring safety, data security, and emotional well-being, and sustainability and scalability of learning models. Practitioners recommend focus of learning for children to be on minimizing learning gaps through developing an understanding of digital learning, a mindset shift on purpose and process of education, and conducting formative assessments to understand the efficacy of blended learning models. The Education Circle recommends the framework to design blended models of learning, which includes the key parameters, core principles, and recommended focus areas to enable effective education delivery. To access the detailed outcome note, you can visit Sattva's website www.sattva.co.in. For more updates on the Education Circle and a lot more, you can follow Sattva on their official social media handles.